Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Verasity. All my Verasity family, if you guys like these kind of videos, continue liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic and see what's happening with the price of Verasity and where we potentially could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price, it is currently trading at 0.0063 cents. We're up 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up about 1.4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're focusing on the market cap is currently sitting at 64.6 million dollars, and the 24-hour trading volume has decreased a lot, currently sitting at $6 million. But that can also be a positive sign if you guys are not aware, and we will talk about why that is the case. So let's get right into the analysis and see what's happening and where the price could be going in the immediate short term. But before I get into that, you guys know the drill, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So one thing I want to get clear right now is Verasity is still one of the low capped altcoins. $64.6 million is absolutely nothing when you are considering money that is in cryptocurrencies. 64.6 million is a low cap altcoin, and it's not even anywhere near to be in a mid cap altcoin, and that shows the potential Verasity has for itself in this bull cycle. And it gets me extremely excited. I haven't really been updating Verasity on a continuous basis because it hasn't really done too much, a lot of sideways momentum. That's why I make Verasity updates on a weekly basis rather than every other day. But once we start things ramping up, that's when I will start covering every other day, because then we can talk more about what's happening with the price in the immediate short term. But this gets me extremely excited, and a lot of people are giving up on Verasity. And on my other videos that I believe I uploaded last week, I saw some comments saying Verasity hasn't done anything this year, and those kind of comments literally make me absolutely rethink, are these people crazy or what? And again, this is not targeted to the Verasity community. I know the Verasity community are hard worker, dedicated towards this project. They want this project to succeed. They know where the potential could be, how this could be one of the top performers this bull cycle, considering its market cap, considering what it's doing, its first bull market, all those factors. And if I bring out the measuring tool from the beginning of the year, look at this. Just look at this. Please look at this. Still up 176%. So all these people that missed out on picking it up here are obviously going to come and talk bad about Verasity. But what Verasity has been doing that I want to tell you guys, it has been consolidating around here and building up a massive support. And even in my last video, we were hovering around the 65 million market cap. So we have built a nice, strong support around this range, which is a massive thing to take away from this. And this team is continuously working. They're continuously evolving. Their roadmap was also talked about, I think, 2 days ago. I saw that on Twitter. So they're engaging with their community. The community is growing at a tremendous rate, and I do believe time is coming very, very close for this next leg up. And remember, right now, not many altcoins are moving. BTC dominance is literally at its all-time high. Bitcoin has majority of the momentum, still within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So altcoins are not seeing those type of explosive moves that we saw at the beginning of the year. So at the beginning of the year, what we really saw happen was altcoins really outperformed Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin's outperforming them now, and then it's going to flow back into altcoins. And I believe Verasity is going to shock a lot of people. Remember, this is a low cap coin. These things can move up very, very fast. And so far, so good, to be quite frank with you guys. Obviously, in order for us to get excited, we need to go back above this level of resistance. We did try to go back above here over the past previous month a few times, but all 3 times were a rejection. So that shows the power that Verasity is facing around this level of resistance. But right now, low volume, and sometimes low volume could be good. That could mean an explosive move is near. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, Verasity is still about 15% away from this level. And now you may be saying 15% is a lot, but for a low cap coin, that's nothing. But that can go the other way around too. So, you know, prices for low cap coins can fluctuate way faster, higher volatility, because it's easier for whales to manipulate that. So that's one factor I want you guys to keep in mind. But if we go look at the bigger picture, guys, look how far we are from all-time highs. You know, if I bring out the all-time high charts, you know, you can see barely Verasity has done anything. So that goes to show the bigger picture is always needed to be looked at. We still long ways to go for us to break out towards the upside. And like I said, once this next leg up starts, you know, I am very convinced that Verasity is going to re-enter the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and that would be a move of about almost 214%, which would put it at around $300 million, which would be considered as a mid-cap altcoin. Still long ways to go. If Binance were to list it, you guys already know my stance. I really do believe this thing is going to absolutely explode, and more exposure obviously. So if one of my viewers works at Binance or has some connections with Binance, come on guys, show them my video, tell them CryptoZX wants a Verasity listed on your exchanges. So list Verasity on Binance. Let's make this you know, let's make this a move now. At this point, let's start talking about list Verasity on Binance. You know, I'm just messing around, but obviously, like, on a serious note, if someone that has connections at Binance, send them this video, send them to list Verasity, and you know, that would obviously be a massive thing for the project itself. But that is it for today's update. Love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow in CryptoZX, and peace out.